Hey guys, are you trying to pack on some serious muscle mass? Well, there are definitely some things you should avoid if you want to see the best results. In this video, we'll be discussing the top things to avoid while gaining mass, and the advantages and disadvantages of each. The first thing to avoid while gaining mass is a PO diet. Eating junk food and consuming empty calories will not give your body the fuel it needs to build muscle. Instead, focus on a diet that is high in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. The advantage of a good diet is that it will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to build muscle, while the disadvantage of a PO diet is that it can lead to weight gain and decrease muscle growth. The second thing to avoid while gaining mass is excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol can interfere with your body's ability to build muscle, as it impairs protein synthesis and decreases testosterone levels. The advantage of avoiding alcohol is that it can help to optimize your body's ability to build muscle, while the disadvantage of excessive alcohol consumption is that it can lead to decreased muscle growth and increased fat storage. The third thing to avoid while gaining mass is not getting enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. When you don't get enough sleep, your body doesn't have the time it needs to repair and build muscle. The advantage of getting enough sleep is that it can help to optimize your body's ability to build muscle, while the disadvantage of not getting enough sleep is that it can lead to decreased muscle growth and increased risk of injury. The fourth thing to avoid while gaining mass is skipping workouts. Consistency is key when it comes to building muscle. Skipping workouts can lead to decreased muscle growth and even muscle loss. The advantage of consistent workouts is that it can help to optimize your body's ability to build muscle, while the disadvantage of skipping workouts is that it can lead to decreased muscle growth and increased risk of injury. The fifth thing to avoid while gaining mass is excessive cardio. Cardiovascular exercise can burn calories and lead to weight loss, which is not ideal when you're trying to build muscle. Instead, focus on resistance training and limit your cardio sessions. The advantage of limiting cardio is that it can help to optimize your body's ability to build muscle, while the disadvantage of excessive cardio is that it can lead to decreased muscle growth and increased risk of injury. And finally, the sixth thing to avoid while gaining mass is taking steroids. Steroids can help to increase muscle growth, but they also come with a host of dangerous side effects, including liver damage, heart disease, and infertility. The advantage of avoiding steroids is that it can help to protect your health and avoid serious side effects, while the disadvantage of taking steroids is that it can lead to long-term health problems and even death. So there you have it, guys. The top things to avoid while gaining mass. Remember to focus on a good diet, limit alcohol consumption, get enough sleep, stay consistent with your workouts, limit cardio, and avoid steroids. By following these tips, you will be well on your way to packing on some serious muscle mass. For more, please like and subscribe.